Hello students, hope you all are well. Let us start our next video on the basis of elements of accounts part 2 standard 12. Student, already you know the previous video I taught the all type of ratios formulas, and with these formulas one by one illustrations also I completed from your textbooks. You already know in this chapter total 14 ratios are there, 1 for 14. All these ratios formula you have to remember. I already told you, once again I want to remind you, before solving this any type of questions from this chapter, first you will write the formula. If you are not writing the formula, the marks will be deducted. So that keep it in mind. And today, this video I will do some exercise questions from your textbook, the page number 246. Page number 246, actually your exercise started from page number 244. And first question, it is the MCQ. I told you all this MCQ of question number 1 as well as the question number 2. That is for section A and section B, that you will write in your fair book. And the practical sums which is started from that page number 247. From there the question number 5 and question number 6 it was deducted by the board, and question number 7 and question number 8 that I want to solve it. So according to your textbook, question number 7 it is given, page number 247. I want to write it here, page 247 of question number 7 and 8. These two, let us do today. 7 is given, calculate the net profit ratio from the information of question number 5 and question number 6. Question number 5 and question number 6, we have to find out the net profit ratio. So once again we have to go back to the question number 5. And question number 5 it is given, from the following information calculate the operating ratio. Question number 5 it is given, calculate the operating ratio, but question number 7 it is given, they have to find out the net profit ratio on the basis of question number 5. So what is given in the question number 5? Question number 5 it is given, the question non-operating or others expense 35,000, depreciation 48,000, administration expense 75,000, sales 6 lakh, tax rate 30%, income of interest dividend 45,000, sales expense 52,000, cost of goods sold 3,25,000, cost of goods sold it is given, so no need to calculate the cost of goods sold, and financial expense also it is given 85,000. From there we have to find out the net profit, and once we find out the net profit, then only it will be easy for us to find out the net profit ratio. First step is there, you have to write the formula. So formula is equal to net profit ratio is equal to net profit after tax, net profit after tax by net sales into 100. This is your formula which you have to write in this step. I told several times. So this net profit after tax, that you have to find out. Number 1, net sales. Most of the cases net sales it will be given in the questions, that no need to find out, and multiply by 100. So from this question number 5 we have to find out the net profit. And net profit, how we have to find out, every one of you know, because from the 11th standard final account I taught you, there you have learned how to find out the gross profit, how to find out the net profit. But in that formula, in that format, we have find out the gross profit, then we have find out the net profit. But actually the total income whatever is coming, that is coming trading account credit side as well as the profit loss account credit sides. This we will add it, and whatever is coming in the debit side of the trading account as well as the profit loss account, that will deduct, directly we will get the net profit. Do you understand what I said? What we used to do, that I want to tell you, this is your trading account and this is your profit loss account. In trading account and this is profit loss account. What we have done, that income you wrote it and expense you wrote it and you got the GP. That GP you wrote it there and revenue income added and revenue deducted and you got the NP. Question is there, if we add this and this, that is your total income. And if you deduct this and this, that is your total expense. So directly we will get the net profit. In this method, we will find out the net profit. So let us see what is given in this question on the basis of that. First, what we will do? First, we will add the income, all the income. So let us start the income. First is coming sales. Sales is your income, and it is getting according to your question. You are getting sales is 6 lakh. Less sales return. SR means sales return. Nothing is given, sales return. So from that sales, you are getting total net sale is 6 lakhs. That is your net sales. Here it is called net sale. Net sales. But net sales is your not only income. With that sales, you may get another so many type of income. What is given in this question, according to that, we have to follow it. Now we have to add the non-operating income. So what we are doing? We are going to find out the total income first. First we will find out the total income, then we will deduct the all expense, automatically we will get the net profit. Add non-operating income. Non-operating income. Non-operating income, what is given in this questions? See in your questions, non-operating income, it is given income from interest on dividend. Income from interest on dividend, one income is given. Income from interest on dividend. Actually, income from interest on dividend, it comes in the profit loss account credit side. So that is your income, which is coming 45,000. So what we are going to find out? We are going to find out the total income. If we add, we will get 6,45,000, which is your total income. Okay. Now what we will do? We will find out the total expense. From the total income, we will deduct the total expense and we will get the net profit. And total expense we will deduct next. Less cost of goods sold is given on the questions. Cost of goods sold, it is given how much? 3,25,000. According to your questions, it is given 3,25,000 cost of goods sold. And we will add the operating expense. Here we will add the operating expense. Operating expense, what are the expenses it is coming? According to your book, the administration expense, sales expense and depreciation expense. It is given the administration expense, sales expense, administration, sales expense and depreciation. These three are coming, that is coming how much? 75,000, 52,000 and 48,000. These three if you add, you will get 1,75,000. Still, you are getting some of the more expense, which is coming the financial expense and non-operating expense. That also you have to add. Add financial expense. Financial expense, how much you are getting? Financial expense according to your book, it is given 85,000. And the non-operating expense. non-operating expense. Also it is given 35,000. If you add this all, you will get 6,20,000. Then I am writing here 6,20,000. So 6,20,000 is your total expense, whereas 6,45,000 is your total income. So if you do that, you will get your net profit. That is coming 25,000. This profit is before tax. Before tax. But question is given net profit after tax. So we have to find out the profit which is after tax and the profit which you got, that is before tax. Now we will have to deduct the tax. Tax it is given 30%. So less tax 30%. 30% means 7,500. 7,500 if you deduct, you will get 17,500. That is called after tax profit. This is called net profit after tax. I am writing here net profit after tax. This we have to find out. Now we have to apply it here. That is how much we are getting? 17,500 divided by it. Net sales is how much? Net sales is 6 lakh. 6 lakh multiplied by 100. Is that it? 17,500, 6 lakh multiplied by 100, which is coming 2.92%. This is your answer. Once again, I want to explain the questions so that you can understand. Like that questions is going to come in the board. Read the questions very carefully, and what is given, what is not given in these questions, what will come, what will not come, that you take decision. First you write the formula, net profit is equal to net profit after tax by net sales into 100, and then you find out the net profit before tax, then you find out the net profit after tax. Net profit find करने के लिए first you have to add your income, whatever the all income is coming, sales and others expense. Sales is your income, and others expense whatever is coming, that is coming. Total income is 6,45,000, and total expense we added it, that coming 6,20,000. Before this is coming net profit 25,000, and this 25,000 which is coming before tax, and this is coming 7,500 is the tax. 30% on your net profit. So if you deduct, you will get the after tax. How to find out the net profit? Every one of you know, because in 11th standard you have done that. How to find out the net profit? Because taking account and profit loss account you have done. There you understood how to find out the net profit. This is question number 7. According to your textbook. Now we are going to find out the answer for question number 6. Question number 6, it is given that we have to 7 we have done. Now we will do the question number 8. 8 no. What we are going to find out the question number 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 7. Now we have to find out that on the basis of question number 6, we have to find out the net profit. Net profit ratio. To find out the net profit after tax based on question number 6. Question number 6, what is given? That I told you. First of all, you have to write the formula. Formula I am writing it here. That is net profit ratio is equal to net profit after tax by net sales into 100. This is your formula. And question number 6, whatever it is given, question number 6 it is given sales 39 lakhs, cost of goods consumed Cost of goods consumed and cost of goods sold are not same. That you keep in mind. Cost of goods consumed is 25 lakhs, sales expense 75,000, loss due to accident 40,000, factory expense including the depreciation 50,000, wages 2 lakh, administrative expense 1,75,000, interest on loan 60,000, dividend receipt on investment 1 lakh, and tax rate 30%. Just now what we have completed, like that sum only. There is not much difference between these sums. Only what are the incomes are coming and what are the expenses are coming, that you have to keep in mind. Here you see that if you mark it, what are the income and what are the expense. Sales is your income. Cost of goods consumed expense. Sales expense you have to deduct from the. Now here this is your expense. Loss due to accident, this is your one type of loss, also will come in the profit loss account debit side. Factory expense, also expense. Wages expense. Administration expense, also expense. Interest on loan, financial expense. Dividend receipt on investment, this is your income. And tax rate it is given 30%. So just like the previous sums, it is like that same only. We have to add first all income, then we have to deduct the all expense. So sales, let us find out the sales. How much? Sales is giving 39 lakh. Okay, according to your questions. Next, sales return, nothing is given, so no need to write the sales return. Even if you write, no problem, less SR. SR means sales return, that is nothing is given. So you are getting here 39 lakhs. Is your total net sales. And dividend receipt on investment. Add dividend receipt on investment. That is how much you are getting 1 lakh. So your total income which you are getting 40 lakhs. That is your total income. Is that it? So we got it, the total income which is required. Now we are going to find out the total expense. Next, we have to deduct the expense. What are the expenses coming? Cost of goods consumed. Cost of goods consumed. How much? 25 lakhs. Add operating expense. इसका साथ. Add operating expense. Operating expense, administrative expense. Operating expense you are getting 1,75,000. Sales expense. Operating expense, administration expense. Operating expense from the administration expense. Administration expense 1,75,000. Next. Sales expense. Sales expense how much? 75,000. It is given in as questions. Depreciation how much? 50,000. And wages. These all are the expense which you are getting from your book, and if you add it, you will get 5 lakh. Next, what you have done? Total income, then expense you are going to have. Cost of goods sold plus these are the expense you added in, which you are getting 5 lakh. So 25 plus 5 is equal to 30 lakh. Still you are having the expense. Financial expense you are getting loan, interest on loan, and one more loss you got, that is others expense. So that also you have to add it. Add financial expense. Financial expense, that is loan, interest on loan, interest on loan, that is 60,000, and also loss, others expense, loss due to accident. Loss due to accident, how much you are getting? 40,000. Now you got it 31. This is 25 plus 5, 30 plus this is 1. is equal to 31 lakh is your total expense. And if you deduct, you will get a difference of rupees 9 lakh. That is your profit before tax. So you have to get it here, net profit before tax. Now tax is how much? Tax is how much? 30%. So less, because we are going to find out net profit after tax. This is profit which is before tax. Tax at the rate of 30%. 30% means 2,70,000. 3 lakh 27. Yes. 30% of 9 lakh is going to come in 2,70,000. So you are getting the difference 6,30,000. That is called profit, net profit after tax. After tax. 6,30,000. Now we have to apply this one. That I am writing it here. That because I am not at the base. So you will write it here. You will write it below. Where I am writing. This is coming here. Now we have to apply 6,30,000 multiplied by what is called net sales. Net sales is equal to I think 39. No, 39. Net sales is 39 is equal to 100 multiplied by 100. 6,30,000 divided by 39 lakhs multiplied by 100, which is coming 16.15. 16.15%. This is your answer. 16.15%. Multiply by 100 means the percentage answer will come. Very easy questions. Once again, I want to tell you which way you will be able to do. You add this all income, because you keep in mind what you have done in 11th standard as well as the 12th standard, how we have find out the net profit. That you keep in mind. Net profit without doing trading account. If I tell you to find out the net profit without doing trading account, if I tell you to find out the net profit, what you have to do, you have to add this all income, both the trading account as well as the profit and loss account credit sides. So what are the trading account and profit and loss account credit side? It is coming that we are adding first. Trading account credit side, this is coming, and profit and loss account credit side, this is coming. So total income that is coming 40 lakhs. And these are the expense which are coming in the trading account debit side as well as the profit and loss account debit sides. These two we added it, and this is total income and this is total expense. Total income minus total expense, you are getting difference which is coming net profit. But after getting the net profit, that profit which you are getting, that is before tax, then you have to deduct the tax, because formula is given net profit after tax. So we are getting the tax 2,70,000. So difference is coming 6,30,000, which is net profit after tax. Now formula 6,30,000 divided by 9 lakhs, because this is net sale, but this is net income. This is net income, this is net sale. Net sales smaller, sales minus sales return. Sales return was not given anything. So this is, you are getting multiplied by 100, your answer will come percentage 16.15%.